Hey everyone, my name is Celeste, and I am so excited to be taking you through our brand new Lumin editor. So as you can see, this is our new Lumin layout. If we go off to starting on the left-hand side, we can see that our tools are now categorized. So starting at the top, we have our most popular tools. Now these are going to be things like your shape, your highlight, draw text, of course, your simple signature and comment. Now, if we go down to annotate, these are going to be much of the tools that you need to mark up a document. So if you need to add a shape, or you need to add some type of text tool, so that's going to be underline, strikeout, or a nice squiggly underline, as well as adding an image. So these are going to be your markup tools. Now down on fill and sign, this is where you're going to create maybe a fillable document from a static document using Form Builder. And this is also where we house our stamps. So if you haven't been using our stamps, we've got some really cool ones in here now, some really common ones. And if you click on our stamp feature, you can actually create a custom stamp, date and type, and then signature as well. Now, Edit PDF is its own feature. Below that is redaction. And then last but not least on our categories are our page tools. So we've got our merge, our split and extract, our delete, and also we have OCR. All of our same zoom features, view controls are all the same. So we will leave those there. As you can see across the top as well, we have our features. Instead of just having the icon, you can read what the feature is without having to hover over it. Now this is dynamic, so if I make my screen a little bit smaller, you'll see that the icon just shows up. And that's of course to reduce on the clutter. And you can always hover over them and they'll tell you exactly what they are as well. If you click on these three little dots at the top, that's going to be where we have housed most of the other kind of admin tools that you might need when working with your contracts, agreements, and documents. So you can, of course, star this, make a copy, move, download, try it out in dark mode, which is in beta. And we've got your file information here as well. The collaboration is super important to us. We love that people need to be able to collaborate when we love that we can make it easy for you. So your share button is still here, prominent, ready to go. You can share this document directly with anybody that you need to, or you can click on the little arrow and you can copy the link, or you can send it for signature via Lumin Sign as well. So if you've got any feedback on the new layout or anything else that you see in Lumin, you can actually just click right here on this little question mark. And if you click on give feedback, it will send you directly into our feedback tool, and you can enter your feedback anonymously right in there. Tell us exactly how you're feeling. We want to hear it so that we can, of course, make Lumin the best platform for you that we possibly can. That is everything that I wanted to show you guys today. It was a pleasure showing you our new layout. Have a great day. Bye.